to be pretty bigoted, in my opinion. I remember clearly how he spoke concerning homosexuals, and I was for that. I remember one of the things that was pointed out, the callous way that he treated the death of different ones to the HIV virus. And I definitely believe in honoring people.
From the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency, this is a required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System.
To pretend that I didn't think that, although we shared similar viewpoints
and layoffs picking up speed, the last thing you need to worry about is your credit card bill. Due to the recent global events, a special debt relief helpline has been created for anyone with over 10.
Agency and the Georgia Office of Homeland Security. This is the required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System.